Hey fellas, we have Dewalt DCF900 and this one making some bad sound when working, so I think the problem will be in a hammering case here. Okay, let's check what we have here. Until now nothing is broken. The gear looks nice, the spring looks nice, the hammer itself looks nice too. Okay, let's check for the anvil. Anvil looks nice too, so we need to check for the problem somewhere else. We'll take the washer out. We have a bearing here. You can see that we have a really powerful motor here, and okay, I want to wash everything here to check what can cause the problems. And yeah, the motor looks nice, strong. The gear here moves, we have the rubbering and so on. This one just moves a little bit. Okay, let's take the rubber. Okay, got the balls out. Now we can take the anvil out. Of course, the washer, the spring, and the second washer. We have the ball inside. Basically, we can see that there's nothing broken here, so I think we will try to reduce it and then test it back again. There's nothing else left for us. Okay, I've washed the parts, and basically I think I will start here from the balls. Just aligning them to go around. And where's our washer? It will be this washer. I will grease both sides of the washer. Putting it in, we have the spring. Greasing the spring a little bit. Now the spring presses the balls with the washer. Okay, now the spring. And what we want to do now, we want to put this one, and of course we have the washer here, the other parts. So I'm just greasing it, and we need to press it. Now we need to press it to put the two balls here. So let's do it. Got the balls in, and now we can put the gears. course, I'm greasing this part, putting the washer, and greasing again. The grease will hold the washer in place most of the time. Okay, now we have this nice part here, and we have our gear. I will just grease sides here, because if it's moving a little bit, it's greased. I don't know if that's needed or not, but I think better to grease it a little bit here than not. Okay, we have it here inside. Now we have the spring ring. Okay, I reset it out accidentally. Okay, got this one in. Now we have the rubber ring here. It's like sealing ring. Pressing it down, it looks good. Now I will spray the grease on the gears here, and the grease from this gear will go to our small gears. As you can see, it will go like this. And of course, now we want to lubricate our hammer. If we put too much grease here, the hammer housing can get worn and the grease can go out everywhere. Believe me, you don't want that. Okay, here we have the housing and we have the washer. The washer can go here. I will lubricate it slightly. I will lubricate inside of the housing. Okay. Now we can close our housing. Got some excess grease here. Okie dokie. Okay, it can be closed and we will get to it. Just making sure everything spins. Okay. Inserting the housing. Okay, to the body. Okay, and I cannot close it now, probably because of the screws. Okay. Move the screws, everything looks nice now. Okay. Now we check the anvil is moving, so we need to put a battery, and now we don't have the spare battery. Okay, we'll find one. We tested, you've seen how to disassemble it, clean it, maintain it, and assemble it back. Thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.